So I came up on my roof to show you something that not many people know. So, of course, right down there, those two squares, the original Twin Towers, and of course, this is One World Trade. That is what was built in place of those that fell on 9/11/2001. But there is a light exhibit that New York City does every year, and it is actually located about 4 or 5 blocks south of the original Twin Towers. I just showed you those. Walking to the south side of my building. There's the Verrazano Narrows Bridge. This is the financial district. Staten Island's over there. There is the Statue of Liberty right there. There she is. And then you can't see it, but down in this, there's a parking garage there. And that is where they set up the twin light beams that mimics the look of the former Twin Towers. So they're actually about 4 blocks south, 4 or 5 blocks south of where One World Trade is today.